Hey everybody, welcome back to Niko Brothers. We're continuing our build on our Duramax. We're still waiting for some parts for our main cab so we can work on the bed. Might as well, it's painted. It's already getting a little polleny out there, so we're gonna go ahead and wash it, put all our plastic pieces back on there, our moldings, and then our wire harness for it. So the one we bought didn't really come with one, so we have to basically go to our old bed that we have that's all crinkled up and hopefully salvage out the wire harness on it. Hopefully it's not too bad. And also for the tailgate, there's a camera on it. There's a lot of little wires too and stuff. This thing's got that soft close. It's pretty sweet. A lot of little options on it, little cab lights or something like that.
Also, we have the gooseneck. We might do that too, so I have to figure that out, drill it in or something. I don't know, that's definitely an option that we want to do because we are going to use it for our shop truck. I mean, just, daily at use, show truck, shop truck, a little bit of both, obviously it's going that way kind of thing, but it'd be nice if we need to, we could pull something with it. But yeah, let's go check out our parts cab real quick and so you can refresh your memory how bad it is and see the parts that we need to get off it. Alright guys, so there is our parts bed right there. We kept all our other parts because there's still good things on our bad parts. All these 2021 parts are expensive. So, look at that wire harness. Perfectly fine, still good and usable. So there's still a lot of goodies in here even though it looks like it's really messed up. It is really messed up, but like I said, there's still some parts we could salvage out and might as well save what we can. Lights here, connections there, stuff like that. The challenge is going to be to get this tailgate open since it is wedged and jammed and on there, but I definitely would like to get that wire harness out if I could. It's probably fine. Definitely double check it, but yeah, let's somehow get this open and get these parts over. Out here in the sun, back in the junkyard of the shop, let's get some parts. Getting kind of dirty. Let's go ahead and make this thing shine again and get it onto the truck. There we go, got it all washed up. I really can't wait to get this thing on there and get it washed on the truck all together. That'll be awesome. Definitely looking forward to it, but let's go ahead and get our little plastic pieces on there. Trim pieces, the easy stuff first, make it look good. Nice, let's get it done. Got all my trim pieces, might as well wash them too. Get that dirt off real quick. Make them look real good. Flares. So these are my baby flares that came with the stock bed, but we got big old wheels, big old tires, so we're definitely not going to use that. Like you've seen already, we painted these nice big old flares, so we're going to get that on there. I don't even need these guys anymore, so I'm just going to go ahead and cover all that up with that one. Oh yeah, it's going to look good for sure. It's not, the stand's going to look nice, but the wheels are a little bigger, like I said, so the wheel gap and everything look really good. What about the bolts though? I think the bolts are silver. Might have to paint them black, Michael.
That'd be sweet actually, yeah.
So let's look into that and then see. Well, looks.
Yeah, little things in life, right? Make it look good. But I think we can, not a problem. Alright guys, got my bolts all painted up and right now I'm getting them heated, baked. That way the paint really cures on there. So that should be good and be done in no time.
Dang guys, so check out all the parts we got off the damaged cab, tailgate, bed. This thing's got an electronic opening and closing tailgate system, I guess, right Ivan?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So hopefully it's still gonna work, because a lot of that tailgate was damaged really good. So hopefully, you know, let's put it in there, and we can only test it out when we plug it into the truck. So let's put it together all we can, because this big motor sits all the way in there. It's kind of hard to get in there, but let's try it.
Alright guys, so I have the little rubber seal right here I'm going to put on the flare. That's going to prevent the paint to be on the paint and won't scratch it. You know, just in case you want to take it off or something, nothing happens, and it, you know, vibration doesn't cause a bunch of scratches and stuff. It's got a little 3M tape inside of there. So it's a little, you know, nitpicky to put it on, but it's not bad. Pretty good. We'll get it done. Alright guys, that actually went on really nice. Definitely the highest quality I've seen so far with these seals. Sometimes they're like a really hard rubber that doesn't want to flex, but this one was super nice. Came right on, it's staying on, that feels legit. I really like it, turned out great. Now I can move on to my bolts. So basically these are just fake bolts. They actually don't do anything. You don't end up drilling holes into your cap, so it won't look like that on top or anything. You just secure it underneath the fender liner kind of thing. But yeah, that's basically just for looks. So we'll put those bolts on there. This should be good right now. Hopefully they're dry after I painted them. It's gonna look good. Man, everybody's gonna make fun of me again. They'd be like, I haven't put on the tail lights, tailgate, and I just put a little rubber seal on for a flare. Alright, got all my blacked out bolts. It's gonna look really good. Basically no more chrome stuff since we're going for the black and red theme. It's gonna look really nice, you know? Why not? Nice and easy. Bolts go there and they do nothing. Like I said, that's just for show, but it's gonna look good.
Oh,
You
missed
did.
it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Easy. Easy. Look at that. Looking good. All right, guys, and just like that, we got the gas cap lid on there. Whew, wrap it, call it a day. I'm just kidding, but like I said, it's looking really nice. Fender flares are on there. All the little trim moldings are on there, looking really nice. Got the tailgate as well. Man, I really love the black accent with the red. It's going really nice with the theme, and it doesn't like stand out too much, but you know it's there. So I can't wait to see it with the rims and the big old tires on there. Nice. Man, it's looking real good.
Well, what's the next thing we're gonna do?
So basically, I say just take it outside, look at it, make sure it's all good, and put it on the truck.
What about our gooseneck plate thing?
That's right. I keep forgetting about the fifth wheel attachment. There was one.
It's a gooseneck, not
Gooseneck?
Fifth wheel's a little bit bigger.
The bigger
the factory
attachment?
gooseneck,
Right.
we have it. So
So might as well, I think, you know, since we have a big old Duramax, we should definitely put on the fifth wheel, the gooseneck attachment. Let's go ahead and try to figure that out next. Alright guys, so we're outside and we're getting ready to put the bed on. But before we do that, we got the gooseneck, the factory one that came with the frame, so it's awesome to go ahead and put that back on, make sure it's where it needs to be. And yeah, we're getting ready to mate them together. I'm super excited because it's gonna look like a truck once we get that bed on there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this on and get that bed on. All right, guys, and just like that, we got the bed on. We had a little hiccup with the fifth wheel attachment over there, the gooseneck, but you know, no big deal. We had it flipped around and perfectly, worked in nicely. Kind of surprised, but yeah, I'm really happy that worked out. But yeah, it's looking really good on it. There's still obviously so much work to do. Still got to get it bolted down, get the rear bumper on, but that's all the time we have for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. We'll get this thing knocked out real soon. Catch you next time.